I'm going to show you how to upload and send documents in MotorDesk. This is a document library where you can conveniently store documents that you'd regularly send to clients. You can group them and batch them together to send all as one, and you can also request signatures from customers. This is under the Sales menu, Documents. We'll start just by pressing Add Document, and then let's do Initial Disclosure Agreement. Then just choose the file you want to upload. You can add a description if you want, and I'll explain this group feature in a second. But to start with, you just press Add Document, and then you have it here. Click Save Changes. Now if we go back into the menu, you'll see that this one's been added, and you can press Send and type in the name of any customer. And you can either send it without requesting an e-signature, or you can request an e-signature. You can see which documents you're still waiting for customers to sign by going to this Signatures section here. And it'll tell you whether it's been requested, whether it's been completed. And then if we go back to Documents, I'll show you the group feature. So if we go to Edit, now if we call this After Sales, for example, and then save that. And then if we go to the other document, and let's call that After Sales as well. Now what you can do is when you're sending to a client, you can simply press After Sales and it will highlight all the documents for you. So this is a great way of grouping several documents together so they're just all easy to send in one go, and then you can request a signature for them, or again send without. If you've not requested a signature, the customer will be sent an email like this where they can simply click and view the document. If you have requested a signature, then they'll have a link to view and sign the document. Once the customer clicks the link, it will take them to an area of your website where they can view the document, and then at the bottom they can sign it and print their name. So now when you go back to your documents page and you click Signatures, you can see that this one here has been signed. You can also add documents from the document library to any invoice that's been issued. Once the invoice has been issued, you'll see that Send Documents is now available in the invoice options. You can then select the ones you'd like to send, as we did before. An email will be sent to the customer, allowing them to view and sign the documents connected to the invoice. Once the customer has signed and printed their name, they will then have a link to view the invoice. They can then sign to confirm that the invoice is correct.